Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Thursday, 20th August 2020. As you know that we have started our revision and reinforcement because we are going to conduct our first term examination in the first week of September. So in this regard we are revising, and yesterday we revised chapter number 1 MCQs worksheet, एंड आई एम श्योर आप सब ने होम प्रैक्टिस आपको ये दी थी हमने वर्कशीट डायरी में, आपने इसको कंप्लीट किया होगा, लर्न किया होगा और प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आफ्टर वाचिंग द वीडियो लेसन्स इन द फोल्डर ऑफ नोट्स दीज वर्कशीट्स आर अपलोडेड. आई एम श्योर वहाँ से आपने इसको कंप्लीट किया होगा और प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स बिगिन टुडेज टॉपिक. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2, and let's take a look at that. Chapter number 2. First, excuse me, chapter number 1, Globe and Maps, then chapter number 2, Climate. Today we are going to revise chapter number 2, Climate, and we will attempt only objective type like fill in the blanks, MCQs, true, false, right, and matching columns. Why? Because हमारा paper pattern जो है वो objective type है, close-ended questions हैं. So climate and weather. What is the difference between climate and weather? Weather is actually, you can say that is the short term state of atmosphere, and climate on the other hand is the average pattern of weather for a particular place over many years, right? So हम जैसे कहते हैं the sunny weather है, हमने इस पर एक रिपोर्ट भी रेडी की थी अपनी एक्टिविटी में. Different weather conditions, for example sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, windy, snowy. So these are the weather conditions. So climate जो है it takes years to change, right? और ये वहाँ का एक particular आप कह सकते हैं एवरेज वेदर पैटर्न होता है किसी एरिया का. एंड हमने यहाँ पे कुछ टर्म्स थी, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, क्लाइमेटोलॉजिस्ट. द स्टडी ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज़ कॉल्ड क्लाइमेटोलॉजी एंड द साइंटिस्ट हू स्टडीज़ क्लाइमेट इज़ कॉल्ड क्लाइमेटोलॉजिस्ट. सो हमने यहाँ पे प्रेसिपिटेशन की डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, रेन, स्लीट, hail and snow भी डिस्कस की थी. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप, दैट इज़ MCQ. ऑलराइट, फॉर दिस वन आई वुड लाइक यू to practice this one worksheet in your rough registers, और आप इसको loose sheets पे भी practice कर सकते हैं. Alright, let's begin. Alright, this is the objective type MCQs. हमने इसमें fill in the blanks भी की थी. Gradually upcoming lessons में हम उसको भी practice करेंगे. Today we are going to revise MCQs. So when you are going to attempt MCQs, choose your options very wisely, very carefully. For this one it's very important, before choosing your option, read the worksheet and options carefully. Choose the correct option. Statement 1, dash is called moving air. So what is called moving air? Your options are atmosphere, wind. अगर आपके पास 2 options हैं, if you have got 3 options or 4 options जितने भी हैं, you do not need to get nervous or confused. आपको confused नहीं होना, आपको nervous नहीं होना, आपको सिर्फ focus करना है अपने correct option पे. If you have gone through the text, if you have gone through the information thoroughly, अगर आपने fully practiced हैं आप, so आपको correct option choose करने में you will take no time. So dash is called moving air. Wind, choose your options. Wind is called moving air. Then let's take a closer look. Dash is liquid form of precipitation. Which is the liquid form of precipitation? Rain or snow? Snow, you know, is not a liquid. Rain is a liquid. So rain is liquid form of precipitation. After choosing your option, you can fill up the blank as well. Warm air weighs dash more or less? Less. Hail is the form of dash, evaporation or precipitation. Hail is the form of precipitation. Choose your option. Precipitation. Alright, and let me take out the book for you. Alright children, you see these are the key terms. हमने key terms भी यहाँ पे लर्न किए थे जब हम ये चैप्टर अपना रीड कर रहे थे. प्रेसिपिटेशन, प्रीडिक्ट, एवेपोरेट्स एंड पैलेट्स एंड स्लीट. सो हमारे पास जो ये ऑप्शन है हमारे पास Hail is the form of precipitation or evaporation. So precipitation and evaporation, ये सब हमने terms अपनी book में MCQs में और already हमने जब ये chapter study किया था हम कर चुके हैं इसको. Then we have statement number 5. Snow forms at the temperature below dash. Alright, 36 Celsius or 32 Celsius. So correct option is 32 Celsius. Alright, let's take out the book कि हमारा ये statement information कहाँ से आई है. Alright, at book page number 9, this is the information. Snow forms at temperature below 32 degrees Celsius. Alright. Then we have statement number 6. To say that an event will happen in future is called dash, evaporate or predict. Evaporate is basically is a process when liquid changes into gas. So that is evaporation. And predict means forecast. So predict is the correct option. Evaporate and predict. Alright, so which is the correct option? Predict. Alright, now let's take a look at these 6 statements once again. Dash is called moving air. Wind is called moving air. Dash is liquid form of precipitation. Rain is the liquid form of precipitation. Warm air weighs dash. Warm air weighs less. Hail is the form of dash, evaporation or precipitation, and precipitation is the correct option. Snow forms at the temperature below 32 degree Celsius. Your options were 36 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Celsius. So 32 degrees Celsius is the correct option. Then we have to say that an event will happen in future is called evaporate or predict. So what is your correct option? Predict. Alright children, now it's time to look at the diary. Today your diary is that you have to revise chapter number 2 and you have to learn the worksheet, and after learning you have to practice this one worksheet. Alright, chapter number 2 की जो worksheet है आपने इसको learn करना है, and after learning you have to practice this one worksheet. आप इसको home practice करेंगे. Alright, so I'm sure that कि जो आपको जिस तरह guidelines दी हैं कि folder के notes के folder में ये worksheet अपलोडेड है, वहाँ से प्लीज़ डाउनलोड कीजिएगा, इसे लर्न एंड प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा और इसको प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल सी यू टुमारो.